Flush Toilet 2021. Buying the best toilet for flushing in 2021 is quite a tricky task. Flushing is essential to maintain the cleanness of your washroom, and everyone is concentrated about the purchases of the bestest possible toilet for flushing. It is the reason that buying the best toilet is like investing in something responsible for overall look as well as tidiness of the toilet. So we will review some of the best toilet of flushing available on the market that you can choose. So let's start by number 1. TOTO MS Nearest Bathroom Hardware. The Nearest is engineered to provide its users with an unrivaled level of comfort and the pinnacle of the bathroom technology and luxury. The e-Water Plus technology keeps the bowl clean and hygienic, while the Wonder Wave spray and warm air dryer keeps you feel refreshed. A testament to our total design principle, the 700H will transform your bathroom into a relaxing oasis that's accessible to users of all ages and abilities. Number 2. KOHLER K541 PAO yourbestdeal Flush Toilet. Sculpted with flowing and balanced curves, the Veil one-piece toilet pairs the Veil one-piece with the comfort of personal cleansing. Upgraded to a 17 inches seating height, this yourbestdeal flush toilet meets our ADA code requirements. Full suite of convenient features included heated seat, night light, hands-free opening and closing, and automatic flush, plus a touchscreen remote. With emergency backup flushing at the touch of a button, you're always covered in the event of a power outage. Number 3. KOHLER K3493 1.6 GPF Toilet. KOHLER is famous for its high-quality washroom product and tremendous performance. The Highland Pressure Light elongated toilet with left-hand trip lever and 1.6 gallon flush offers complementary style for any bathroom or powder room. The main benefit of this material is easy learning and durability of the product. Number 4. American Standard 714AA 154. Keeping a clean and healthy home just got easier with the American Standard Anti-Clean Toilet. ActiClean is a self-cleaning toilet with a safe but effective American Standard cleaning solution that cleans and removes stains with a simple press of a button. It features 2 cleaning cycles, deep cleaning and quick clean, and comes with a 9-week supply of cleaning solution. Number 5. TOTO MS 604114 CEFG #1 Ultra Max 2 one-piece toilet. The TOTO Ultra Max 2 features a sleek one-piece design that will immediately beautify the appearance of your bathroom. The one-piece design is not only aesthetically pleasing but also offers the benefit of being easier to clean versus a 2-piece toilet. Additional benefit of this one-piece toilet is that there are no threat of leaks from bowls or gaskets that can occur in 2-piece toilets. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.